Hello, my sunshiny friends. How are you doing today? This is Sunshine Annie with my DIY composition book planner. This was last week, and I went very colorful, trying to just brighten it up, hoping spring comes sooner than later. Well, it comes the same day every year, but anyway. So this week, we had Valentine's Day. We had not a lot of other plans. We kind of took it easy this week because last weekend we had a baby shower for my new grandchild that's coming. This week is vacation, so I don't have a lot on here. We do have an appointment for our puppy to be spayed. That's tomorrow, and I've done some meal planning because, you know, this week is at home, so I can think about stuff I want to cook. And we're going to be doing steak bombs tonight. We're going to do meatloaf and mashed potatoes tomorrow. Some chicken and stuffing at some point. Definitely putting in the salad. We do want to do a dinner out. We do still have gift cards that we have from Christmas that we want to use up. I do have a vegetarian that's a rice and beans with spinach that I want to do. And on Saturday we have haircuts, and it's close to dinner time when we have the haircuts, so we'll probably just grab takeout and come home. So today we got up and went out for bagels. I stopped at Michael's and got a few things, and my husband went to the pet store. We grabbed some groceries for dinners for the week. Other than that, we are planning tomorrow that one of my sons is coming over and his partner is coming over for dinner. That's about it for the planning of this week. I do want to stop at a Dollar Tree sometime. Not sure which day I'm going to pick. And actually, I'm not sure which one I want to go to. I may go to a couple of the Dollar Trees, just looking for some things that I want, that I've seen. One of the people that I follow, she's found different acrylic stamps, new ones that are out, so I'm on the lookout for those because I do love to do stamping. So this week, since I'm off, I'm definitely going to be drinking my water, and I am going to try to be more active this week. Making healthy choices, part of that is meal planning, and I'm not one of those who feels like they have to eat a certain way. As far as limiting carbs or whatever, I try to eat what I like, but I am mindful of what I'm eating and how much I'm eating. I try to control my portions, and, you know, some days it doesn't work. Some days it's better than others. And for my mindset, I'm definitely going to be working on my art and catching up with some of the things that the Wanderlust course that I'm doing. I'm going to try to catch up on that. I'm also thinking about doing an extra vlog this week. So if you're interested in an extra vlog, give me a like. And because I've been working on, I don't want everything to fall here, but I have been working on this, and I had done one previously, a vlog. This was just an art journal that I've been working on, and I flipped through. I did a flip through previously showing some of these pages, and I thought I would update what I haven't shown so far. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I think I do want to do one. A lot of people liked it, and I haven't finished it. I was going to try to finish it in a year, but I got stuck. I couldn't keep going with it, and yeah, it shows my journey and where I've come from and where I'm going to. So it is kind of interesting how that's changed. So this is what this week's looks like. I kept it cohesive between the two pages. This was the set that came together. So there were stars with this, like, and I'm not sure if that's a mistake or a flaw, or if that's what it was supposed to be. So it's got this lightness to it, because this side doesn't. This one has words that says believe, hope, dream, imagine, and it repeats. And I tried to keep some of the colors with that, but I also went with these purples and pinks and red-ish colors. And I did the flowers in here to kind of coincide with that and connect. And I just threw in that splash of green to go with the stems. And this is this week's planner and what I'm looking at for this week. So tune back in next week to see what happens for the rest of February and the beginning of March. Can you believe it? It's the beginning of March coming up soon. I hope you have a good week, and I hope you can enjoy good weather and try to keep love and kindness in your heart. That's what I'm trying to do. Love and kindness for myself as well. And not be too hard on myself on the things that I don't accomplish, and focus more on what I do. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you.